Hey guys, this is TheWiiGuy here, and today I'm going to visit an abandoned castle, I suppose. I think, with my friend over there. Yeah, this is pretty much what's remaining of the castle. There's nothing remaining of the castle over there, look at that. It's all smashed. So here we are going inside this castle, and why is there a shovel here? Whatever, I'm in and we found a shovel. Oh my god. Okay, here I am. Whoa. Here are some furniture. Broken furniture that I absolutely didn't want to touch. And here we are. Yeah, so we are inside this castle and we found another shovel. What's incredible is this thing once was under renovation, but they stopped it for some reason. That's just amazing how this... everything's ruined, boy. Oh my god. So here I found this sort of door. We found this sort of door. But we cannot open it. There's no doorknob anywhere. Okay, so let's check what the fuck is inside this. Oh, we are some stairs and a chair over there, a gaming chair. Looks like there was a gaming PC there before. I'm probably breaking this property, but this thing is already broken, so who cares? It's about to be under destruction, so we are mounting some sort of stairs, which doesn't. We have some stairs which seems to be pretty solid, but still in case of. This was supposed. There you go. Here's a wall which was supposed to be under restoration, but they gave up the project apparently. And oh my god, this is so weak. I'm making a comeback. And here we have nothing apparently. And this, which barely holds with a few plates of wood. Well, why not after all? I'll take more stairs. Yeah, those stairs seems to be... What? Oh, look, more trying to renovate, but they never did that, so yeah, this is pretty much what's remaining of this castle. Nothing. Ooh, what's inside this room? Let me enable the flashlight real quick. Okay, so we cannot see much. It looks like an attic. It looks like... We have an attic, which is under mess. We cannot see anything much in here, even with the flashlight. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing really interesting to see in here. Yo. Okay. That's pretty creepy in there, I've gotta say. Even if we don't risk anything, honestly, that's still pretty creepy. Imagine if this thing falls. We could die from that, but who cares? Oh boy. That's horrendous. Should I jump from high here? Should I really jump from high here? Okay, you know what? I'm doing it. No. That's a really creepy place. That's a really creepy place. Well, yeah. That's all it's remaining from this castle. Honestly. Yo, man, this window. What kind of version of Windows is this? Yo, and we have the other half, I suppose. Eventually tried to restore this piece of history, I suppose, but they never did it for some reason. And this thing is currently being abandoned, and it will probably be like that for years, or even more. I'm definitely gonna jump from here. Whee! That's a big window. Look at the view. Okay, that's absolutely not charming, but anyways. This floor is even less reliable than any other Renault car. Really? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? I almost died from there. Okay, yeah, that's dangerous. I'm not continuing it. Oh my god. Jokes apart, please do never do this at home. You can probably get injured or you will probably die. Thing is, I put my feet on there and this broke, so please do not do this. Please do not do this in your town. Do never reproduce this activity. And it's doing it again here. I absolutely don't want this to happen here. Okay, so now I think we have a reliable surface for once. Is this surface stable? Yeah, I don't want to put a feet, but I wonder if it's stable enough to walk on it. I won't take my risk to step on that. Oh, really? Yeah, I won't take the risk to step on that thing. This is so unstable. And next up, we're going to check this bridge. Yay! Right, I'm doing this safe this time. I'm gonna do it again. So yeah, I suppose we'll check now the abandoned bridge. Okay, let's see what's behind this door, but I'm pretty much sure there's nothing. Let's try to open it. That's not opening. Oh, there's a sub bottle in here. Oh well. So we're getting back in here. And yeah. Okay, so we're up with this building. Now we're going on another one. So we looked at everything we had to look at that one. Honestly. Alright, next building. Oh, there's so much bad weeds. Okay. From where we came from, it was a real mess. But here we are. The tour is already done on this building. We're getting out of here. It's going to be another mess. So, let's be really careful. And you know what? That's okay. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Alright, let's check the last building. I think we're done with that. I think I said. There's nowhere to go. Okay, so apparently there are two bridges. We are going to check the first one and then the second one. Okay, so this apparently isn't a bridge, but this is some sort of cargo. There are a lot of loot boxes inside this thing. Yeah. Is there a Wii game on that thing?